Hi, I'm Sophie. I am one of your free spirit assistants. Let's get started and solve issues and find some calm, happy peace.
And I am Daniel. I am also one of your free spirit assistants. Together, we will help with all your products and give you help on your journey to wellness and stress-free activities and organization. Here we go.
Today we are going to take the stress out of bills. Tell me, do you dread getting bills, late payments, subscriptions you forgot to cancel? How about that pile of envelopes that comes in the mailbox and you gently place it in a basket somewhere and pretend it doesn't exist?
And auto pays. Those sneaky little auto pays that quietly drain your bank account at 3 o'clock in the morning like financial ninjas. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Bills are one of the biggest everyday stress factors we all deal with. But getting organized doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to involve confusing budgeting software. And it doesn't have to mean putting all of your personal information online. You can stay private, stay digital, and stay organized. That's exactly why Free Spirit created the Simply Paid Bill Planner and Subscription Tracker.
Simply Paid keeps everything in one secure place, on your own device. No syncing, no accounts, no sharing, no trusting private bill information. You download it once and it's yours. At a glance, you can see what is due, when it's due, how much it is, what subscriptions are renewing, and where your money is actually going. And let me tell you, clarity brings calm.
Let's get started. After your instant download is complete, simply open the planner. You can use Adobe Reader, GoodNotes Notability, or any other free PDF programs. On the right side, it may show you bookmarks with page numbers. There's an option on the right side toward the bottom where you can view the thumbnails. It's up to you. On the left, you can just X out it to save space. You can also use the two-page view that looks like the pages of a book. Next is the dedication page. Next, welcome page. The next two pages are the instructions. Now, the next page is your calendar. This is your command center. Yes, we are taking control of our money now. Superhero cape optional. Here you can see all bills at a glance. Click directly into detailed bill pages, track due dates, keep subscription information in one simple place. No flipping through piles of paper. No wondering, did I already pay that? No late fees because life got busy. On this calendar, you simply enter a bill under the day it is due. You have 4 spaces for each day, 1 to 4. Once you enter your bill, all you have to do is click on the number on the left. It will take you to its own information page. Here you can enter the bill name, account number, the bill type, and the bill information. Next, you will enter the company information. At the bottom of the page, you will see Home, Subscriptions, Calendar. These are your options to go back to. Home takes you to the cover page, Subscriptions to the subscription page, and the calendar page, where we just covered. Let's go back to the calendar page. Very important.
Up on the top left, don't forget to save your entries.
Now let's talk about subscriptions. Subscriptions are wonderful, until they aren't. Have you ever signed up for a free trial and suddenly, 3 months later, you're funding an app you haven't opened since January? Yes, we've all been there. This tracker lets you list the subscription, see the renewal date, see the cost, decide if it stays or goes. Sometimes organizing your subscriptions feels like breaking up with people you barely knew. It's not me, it's my budget.
Here's a simple budgeting tip. Before paying your bills each month, sit down with your planner and review everything first. When you see everything in one place, you reduce impulse spending, catch duplicate subscriptions, notice increases in bills, avoid surprise overdrafts.
Another tip, schedule a monthly money check-in with yourself. Light a candle, make some tea, make it calm. This is not punishment, this is empowerment. One of my favorite things about Simply Paid is that it keeps your information private. You're not logging into an online program. You're not connecting your bank account. You're not giving passwords to anyone. It's simple, it's secure, and it's stress-free. Because budgeting should lower your stress, not raise it. If you love organized, calm, intentional living tools, this planner is part of the Free Spirit collection. including Life Pages journals and other printable planners designed to simplify your life, not complicate it. Or take a break and have some fun with Brain Breaks, adult activity books. You can find the shop link below in the description.
If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I want to know, what is your worst bill paying habit? Is it the basket of envelopes, the I'll deal with it tomorrow method, or the mystery subscription surprise? Comment below. Let's normalize this together. Remember, organization brings peace, clarity brings confidence, and simple systems create calm. You've got this. We will see you in the next video.